Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain the probate process in Iowa. Probate is a court case that is sometimes necessary in order to allow an executor or an estate administrator to collect the assets of a deceased person and then distribute them to the deceased person's creditors, and then any remainder to beneficiaries under will or heirs at law if there is no will. A probate case is necessary in Iowa if the deceased individual owned more than $25,000 in their individual name, so not in a trust or not in payable on death accounts, or owned any real estate outside of a trust or outside of rights of joint tenancy with rights of survivorship. If the individual passed away with less than $100,000 in assets, then a summary process can be used that's a little bit quicker than a standard probate case. The first step in a probate case is to file a probate petition with the court and request that the court admit the will to probate and accept it as a valid will, if there is a will. Regardless of whether there's a will, the executor or estate administrator will be appointed by the court at the first court hearing, and letters of office will be issued that will allow that person to have the legal authority to collect the assets of the deceased person and then distribute them to creditors and heirs. Notice will be given to all of the creditors that are known by the executor, and notice will be published in a newspaper for unknown creditors. Once this notice is published and given to any known creditors, creditors have 4 months to file a claim with the probate court. The executor will determine whether those claims are valid or whether they want to dispute the claims. And in the meantime, the executor will go about gathering the assets of the deceased person and then transferring them into an estate account. While he or she is doing this, he or she will create an inventory which lays out a detailed list of all the assets that were gathered, and will also lay out how the assets are going to be distributed. So assets have to first be distributed to valid creditors based on their claims filed with the probate court, and then whatever is left over will be distributed according to the terms of the will to beneficiaries of a will, or if there is no will, to whoever state statute says is entitled to inherit it. At the end of the case, the court will approve the executor's actions, and the executor can go ahead and distribute the property of the deceased person. Probate cases tend to last about a year. They can be a little bit shorter. They can be longer if there's disputes between creditors and beneficiaries. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We have several geographic locations for your convenience, and we offer free consultations in many areas of law. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.